Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnail on Picsart photo editor app. So you can add image to the project. Just click on add icon at the bottom. Select see all to see for the photos. Alright, to change photo aspect ratio, you are just going to scroll to the right and select the bit and scroll to the right and select YouTube like so. Click apply. Alright, so you are cutting the YouTube thumbnail aspect ratio. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.